Hi, I'm Vidya Tikari and I've been in the beauty industry for 30 years. Recently I came across a facial range called Cocowalk Professionals. Cocowalk Professional is a brand from Florida Beauty Labs and it specializes in the needs of the Indian customer. And the thing which I love about it is its clean beauty. What I love about this product is its 2-in-1 formulations. Not only does it protect the skin, but it revitalizes the skin, it makes it youthful, gives it a glow, and it gives it this magical hydration look. Cocowalk Professionals has 7 facial ranges, but what we're going to talk about is this bridal range. Now, the great thing about this is it has cherry and almond extracts. Now this range gives you a beautiful glow, it gives you hydration, and it also gives you sun protection, which you need when you're in the spotlight on your special day. Before we see what's inside, I want to show you 2 QR codes which Cocowalk products have. Now this one gives you a full skin diagnosis, and the one inside gives you a look and learn. So basically this is smart technology brought to you on all the packaging with its QR codes. So what the skin diagnosis does, that in a matter of seconds it tells you what your concerns are. It could be oily skin, it could be patchiness, it could be dark circles, it could be fine lines. So this technology basically makes life easier for everyone. So this is the bridal facial kit, and this is a luxury range. So we have 8 steps for this range. So each step will require 1 sachet. So we have 8 sachets here, which we're going to begin with is the Gentle Cleansing Milk. Bridal Gentle Cleansing Milk contains natural plant, fruit and herbal oils, prevents dryness and replenishes the skin. Apply it on the face and neck in circular motions for about 4 to 5 minutes and then wipe it off with a moist towel. So the second step is the exfoliator. Bridal Enzyme Exfoliator is a gentle and non-abrasive product. It helps in removing dead skin cells, whiteheads, blackheads, and gives a smoother and a clearer skin. The third step is the massage cream. This Bridal Smart Balance Massage Cream helps in cell rejuvenation and improves the skin's firmness, leaving the skin radiant and luminous. Apply this cream all over the face and give it a massage in a circular motion for about 10 to 15 minutes with wet fingertips. Then you can wipe it off with a moist towel. The fourth step is the face pack. Bridal Soothing Face Pack. Basically, this is a velvety rich cream-based face pack which is made with apple and cherry extract along with other herbal and beneficiary minerals. This face pack gives a spotless and a blemish-free look to the skin, and it helps bring radiance and glow to the skin. Directions for use: apply the pack in a thin layer all over the face and neck for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe it off with a moist towel and pat dry. The fifth step is the bridal moisturizer. Take an appropriate amount of moisturizer on your hand and apply it all over the face, making sure to blend it into the skin and into the pores. Applying the bridal moisturizer on the skin will give it a brighter and lighter look to the skin. Now, the bridal moisturizer is crafted with natural extracts. This is in turn going to leave the skin completely soft and supple. The sixth step is a Bridal Smooth Shine Skin Serum. Bridal Smooth Shine Skin Serum. This is a unique product which gives an added moisture, and it puts nutrients into the skin which penetrates deep, and it prevents dark spots, wrinkles and acne, leading to a very perfectly hydrated skin. The seventh step is the Bridal Detan Soothing Pack. A velvety rich cream based face pack made with apple and cherry extract along with other precious herbs and extracts and minerals. Directions for use: apply a thin layer of pack on the face and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes until dry. Remove with a wet soft towel. The eighth step is the Bridal SPF 30 cream. Bridal SPF 30 cream is the last step of the bridal facial kit. Now, what it does is, besides protecting the skin from the harmful rays of the sun, it will block in all the vital steps which we've used and keep all the goodness of the products in the skin. So as you can see here, we've completed the final 8 steps, and you can see that the face looks a lot more hydrated, it's glowing, the pigmentation has definitely decreased, and I can see that our spots have even decreased. So by and large, I feel the skin is looking absolutely radiant.